Azhar, the foldable mini bike, as you can see by the title. Let's get into it. So we're done building the bike and we're out for a ride out. Yeah, my bad for the toes. I need to get it like a cam. Smooth 20 at speed. I like it. I'll just be real. I like it a lot. Pedal assist is good. Smooth. That's pretty calm. Don't get no better than this. I'm on my way to my friend's house to get my backpack for my keys. And we're still at a calm, mind you. This is like peak battery. Like I didn't charge it yet. None of that. Peak battery, calm. Turn, we might be cooked. Looking out, Mom. I might be cooked right here. Never mind. See this, bro. I'm not gonna lie, the easiest part. See, now we're on pedal assist. Shit. See, this is what I need to go for. I need to save it for a GoPro. Now we're on regular path. See, I can't even really record on the streets because it's hella bumpy. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. Oh, fuck. See, I need to drive in the street. Good turn. I'm driving the street, I can record. Now, for this little, for this mini bike, it has a decent amount of speed on it, too. I'm just being honest. I have no reason to lie or overhype it. I was on a budget, so I could only spend like $200. If I can, I'll probably upgrade it sooner or later, or maybe get like a twist throttle instead of thumbs. See, I kind of like thumbs. I like their car. I like a thumb. Twist throttle, maybe LCD display, better one. Should maybe get like a little TV for movies and shit. I like this though. Shit, I'm supposed to be at home right now. I ain't gonna lie. I'm supposed to be in the house. I just went out to go get my stuff real fast. Mom probably gonna be mad, but it don't matter. My turning skills is a butt right now. I'm using one hand, so chill. There's a lot of black kids. Alright, so we're currently back on. We're at a smooth 19 with it. That's nighttime now. I just wanted to test how the lights are. The lights is actually good. I feel like we're going faster now. It's nighttime. What the hell? These are my keys. Fuck with this. This nigga done spent my damn battery. Not spent, but he... Ooh, shit. We're downhill, so we might go a little faster than projecting. We're not taking the easy way home, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. 23? Fuck no. Let's hope we can gain that damn speed going uphill, though. Fuck. Whoa, 1%. I need to get home. me stop recording chat.
Get flipped, get killed.